Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the Google account that uploaded the video, because only the uploader or an editor can access the link. Once signed in, open YouTube Studio and click Content to list your uploads. This page shows visibility status next to each title. Find the unlisted video using its title or upload date, then stop. Don't click random menus yet. You'll use the row controls in the next step to reveal the shareable link directly. Now that you've located the file, click the three-dot row menu or open the video details page. Select Get Shareable Link or View on YouTube and copy the URL from the address bar. That exact URL is the unlisted link viewers need. If you edited visibility, save changes first. YouTube preserves the same link for unlisted videos unless you set it to private or re-upload. Make sure to use the copied URL in messages. Finish by pasting the link where needed. Anyone with this URL can view an unlisted video, so share intentionally. If the link doesn't work, check the video's status in YouTube Studio to confirm it's still unlisted and not private, expired, or deleted. Change visibility back to unlisted and save to restore access. If you're not the uploader, the only proper route is to ask the owner to send the link. There's no legitimate backdoor to retrieve someone else's unlisted URL.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.